everybody, this is Nelca Roco again, and have you received the newsletter from Dialux? Yes, they sent us another newsletter on March 1, and this is all about this Dialux community. So go and check this one because I already joined, and I think this is very important in Dialux users because you can upload your project here. It's, I think, similar to what we have in Facebook Dialux users and LinkedIn group Dialux users. So it's more of a community where you can post a question and then the Dialux user will answer you in this website link. And then you can also show off your amazing projects here. So yes, this is the home page. And yeah, they have these Dialux newsletters. Oh, this one is Sumaya Elias. I think she already interviewed by Dialux team. And the new energy saving from Dialux Evo, how to use it properly. And the preview of the Dialux Evo 11.1. Okay, I will like it now. Or I will just love it. Oh, okay. I'm not signed in yet. So I need to sign in and then I will log in. Yeah, you need to log in and sign in. There you go. So yeah, okay. So this is my profile here now. Yes, I need to log in. There's a notification here that there are some people commenting or asking questions. I will check this one later. So guys, if you want to know more about this Dialux community, go and check this one. And yeah, let's see how it will contribute to our skills, talent, community, and in our profession. So go and, oh, there is a lighting knowledge here also. Okay. Oh, I think this is part of the Dialux users, lighting knowledge. Okay, so yes, go and check this one. I am already here, so I hope you also join. I'm not promoting it, but I want to promote it. Okay, that's crazy. Yeah, so see you here in Dialux community and post a question here if you're so shy in my Facebook page to ask question, then maybe you can ask here in Dialux community because the people here are willing to share their knowledge also, because in my Facebook page and LinkedIn page I am always logged out. I'm always busy. So yes, people will answer you here, so go and check. It's, I think, good for us. All right, so see you again on the next video. Bye.